Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gmeet. So, as we all know that in this pandemic everything went online. So we are using different apps like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx Teams for our works and projects. So are you also facing the issue with Google Meet that your mic is not working? If this is the case, then this video is gonna be helpful for you as I'll tell you the solution of how to fix it. So just please watch the video till the end and I'm 100% sure that you will troubleshoot the problem you are facing and it won't happen again. So let's begin. So first of all, just open your Chrome and then go to the 9 dots on the right hand side and then just click on it and just click on Meet. So the Meet home screen will be visible. After that, just click on the settings icon on the right hand side and in the microphone section just select default one and make sure the microphone symbol or icon doesn't have a cross or a red mark on it. After that, just close it and go to the 3 dots on the bar of the Google Chrome and click on settings. So after that, just click on privacy and security. You'll see the fourth option, site settings. Just click on it and inside that you'll see meet.google.com. Just click on it and in the microphone section just make sure it is allowed and then just go back and cancel both of these. If the problem still continues, then just click on the search bar and type settings. In the settings screen, just click on update and security and on the left hand side just go to your troubleshoot and scroll down. So you will find a speech option. Just click on it and just click on the run the troubleshooter. So now it is detecting problems and now we are gonna fix them if there are any. So it is taking time, so I'm gonna just fast forward it. So this screen will appear. Just click on Cortana can't hear me. So click on the microphone which you want to fix and then click on next. Now click on set up the mic. So as you can read, I'll give you a phrase to repeat so that I can be sure I'm hearing you correctly. Make sure you are in a quiet place and your microphone is set up correctly. So just click on next. Peter talks to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. So now all your problems are fixed and after that just click on close the troubleshooter. Now I'm pretty much sure that if you open the Google Meet and join a meeting, then you won't face a problem related to it. So if you like this video and learn something new, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and share this video with the friends who are facing similar problem. Thank you.